Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to share a Google form, and we are going to be using this worksheet template from Google for our example. So sharing a regular Google form is quite easy. All you would need to do is click on this send button at the top, and from there you can choose to send via email, link, embed, or social media. You can also fill out the form in this modal to share your Google form, and it's also possible to collect emails when sharing. So once you're done, you can click on the send button at the bottom. Okay, so let's go ahead and close this. So now I'll show you guys how to share a Google form with a timer. So let's first click on the options icon at the top, and from there we can click on add-ons. Let's search for extended forms, and we can choose the first result. Click on the first card, click install, continue, select a Google account, scroll down and click allow, and now we can click done. So now that we have installed the add-on, we can click on this X, and from there we can click on this puzzle icon at the top, then click timer for Google Forms, click configure, and now we can toggle this switch to turn on the add-on. So the first option we have here is share form. So we can access this drop-down menu to select a sharing method. So here we have a number of different options, including link anonymous, which we won't normally have with Google Forms. And the next option will let you configure your timer. By default, it's set to 1 minute, but you can go ahead and increase it according to your needs. We can also restrict attempts with the next option, and we can have this form automatically submit once the timer ends. Click on save once you're happy with your settings. So once you have saved your form, you can go ahead and share it using any of the available options. So here's what somebody would see if you were to share this form link with them. I'll just paste the form link in a new tab. So here's what it would look like. You can also preview this form before sending it out. So let's click on the preview button. Then we can click on get started. So now we can see our Google form with the timer at the top. So if you want to view your form's responses, you can go back to the extended forms add-on and click on the responses tab. And that should take you to the extended forms dashboard, where you can view a ton of information pertaining to your forms. It's also possible to share your form from this dashboard. You'll just need to go ahead and click on this share icon at the top. Now you can either copy this form link as is, or you can shorten it by checking this box. But in order to use the shorten option, you'd first need to upgrade your plan. You can also use the invitation method from this dashboard. So you would just need to click on this envelope icon at the top, and from there, all you need to do is fill out this form and click on send invitation once you're done. Alright, so now you should know how to share a Google form. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.